Hi, how are you? I thought I'd hop on really quickly because I've not been on for ages and I know that so many of you haven't even been seeing my posts. So if you see me, say hi in the comments and let me know what you're up to today. We're just heading out and I actually thought, do you know what, I'll hop on really quickly and do the floors. I don't know if you can actually really see it, but they are manky. And over here it's covered in little bits of puff pastry because Nina's been having some cheese and onion rolls for lunch. So what do I got here? I got a floor system, and literally this is all I use for cleaning my hard floors. My big bottle of water, which I refill with cold water, and my floor system. Dust fibre, as always, suitable for all types of hard floor, and I use the medium for cleaning my floor. It comes with a choice of 4 different cleaning fibres, so it's tailored to you in your home depending on your traffic, kids, pets, the type of flooring that you've got, etc. And this is literally all you need. It's zero waste. It's recommended by some of the top flooring specialists around the world, and it makes cleaning your floors an absolute breeze. So a wee top tip here is, as well, it freestands. Pop this up and you've got full movement anti-clockwise, and it's height adjustable and it actually goes up to 6 feet. So if you've got high up corners of the walls and things, even for cleaning your ceiling, that can be done as well. But you want this for your flooring between your nose and your chin so that we're not bending down and things, right? So with that dust fibre, you can see I've got my wash fibre on there, but with my dust fibre, just going to rub that together, charge it up, and off I go. Because I'm just going to put that on like that, and then when I am cleaning, I am just taking that fibre and picking up all that puff pastry, fluff, lint, dust, pet hairs, etc. And then that is just going to trap all that in the fibre. And then once I've done dusting, I'm just going to put that there, straight up, and I'm straight into washing. And you just pump this up. And then another thing that this is really good for is it's got a weight in it. So whatever way you have your water, your bottle, water's going to come out. But this little nozzle here will actually adjust how much water is coming out. So some floors like lots of water, so you'd have it fully open for loads to come out, and other floors don't like water very much at all. So you can have it almost closed where it will give off just a really fine mist of water. But when it comes to cleaning, you're not lugging a mopping bucket about, or no cables and things. You've just got your fibre, which is suitable for your flooring, and you're just breezing over your floor like this, and that will just pick up all that dirt and things that's on your floor with complete ease. And because we're not having it absolutely wringing, it takes no time at all to dry, and because we're not adding any chemicals to it for that residue to be left to dry on the floor, there's nothing that's going to dull down our floor or anything either. So you've got peace of mind, grubby, that that's it.
My house.
Just like that.
My house.
Oh, I've done it.
My
I'm finished now. It's all done. All done.
My watch.
Well, I've done it all.
And
You've just been lying watching me. And that is it. And then when it comes to your washing fibre, just chuck that in a laundry bag, in the washing machine, and wash and reuse it over and over again. That is it.
And go.
And go. I am going. Your dust fibre, as you can see, it's lifted all that pastry and things
What?
from my floor.
I don't know what.
This is going to last you around 5 years, And this, your washing fibre, is going to
Oh.
last you around 3 years before you have to replace them. If you like saving money, this will really help you save money. But one thing that will really help you save is waste, because this is 100% zero waste. So, no. When it comes to replacing your fibres, you replace them, but you also recycle them as well. So you've got peace of mind that you're adding absolutely nothing to the landfill. We're done now. Thank you. Can I have the water? And another added bonus is that you can clean your floors when you've got your children and your pets around. Quiet. Because it is 100% safe to do so. Because all we use is water, not a toxic chemical inside. Are we going in the car?
No.
No. You're going to say bye?
Bye.
You waving? We've got enough water there now. You going to clean it now? Even adjusts for the children. Right, you going? You saying bye? You waving?
Bye.
If you fancy trying this out or want to find out more, then drop me a message, or you can shop the web shop too. But don't forget, if you're worried about what is safe to use on your floor or which fibre would work best for you, then drop me a message and just ask. I also have one of these that's available for free trial too. So if you fancy trying it out, then drop me a message. I guess I better go and soak up the water. Another added bonus is that these are so super absorbent. And actually look at the colour of that. From that quick clean off the floor. Well, are you saying bye, wave? Jeepers creepers. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. See you soon. Bye.